Go ahead. Yeah.
Thank you. It's a bit long. I don't know if we have some time.
No, we have time. Go ahead. We have time. Go ahead. So,
Thank you
how
so
many
much.
needs to go? Yeah. The session is over. It's overtime. Yeah. Go ahead.
I'm sorry.
No, go ahead.
Well,
Go ahead.
it is about Tehillim Mizmor LeTodah 100.
Yes.
Tehillim 100. It's practically my favorite Tehillim. So I wanted to ask Rabbi if I am or anyone is allowed to recite Mizmor LeTodah after sunset in Shabbat, or is disrespectful with the situation at that moment, with all the neshamot returning to Gehinnom.
So, if you're allowed to say this on the finish of Shabbos, when the Shabbos, when this neshamot goes to Gehinnom, if you're allowed to say that?
Yes, after sunset.
After sunset, okay.
Yes. Are we allowed, or better don't recite?
So it's not like I see what you're saying. So it's not like you celebrate them going to their place back. It's not like you celebrate. You're happy for them to be there. You like them to not to be there, but you will say this Tehillim for your own personal things. It has nothing to do with them. So some people go on the street and smile. Maybe they think about something like nice. So should I get offended? No, they're not making fun of me. There's two things. Do not like two separate things. So they're not saying HaShem thank you to keep them there. So I wish they would go out, and I wish they would do the Shiur in the right time and right place. But I'm glad that I'm not in that situation. You understand? I'm glad that I know who HaShem is and how connected and how much He does for me every single day.
HaShem.
Yeah.
Yes, it is because the time is very short at that hour. But I always want to finish it with some Tehillim, but recite them by heart. And how this is my favorite Tehillah, I was wondering in reality.
So actually, on Shabbos we don't say because on Shabbos in general, in Shabbos morning we skip this Tehillim because there is no this separate this offering on Shabbos. It's one thing, but I just thought about it. There is a special set of Tehillim that is proper to say between Mincha and Mariv on Shabbos, right? So there is a special set. If you look at the Siddur, so if you when after the Shabbos Mincha, it's Shir Alamalus, all of the 10, and Nishmas Kol Chai, I think that the next one. So you have there more than enough material that it's proper to say at that time.
Perfect.
Yeah. So check your Siddur. It is there.
Yes, Rabbi.
Yeah.
BeEzrat HaShem, I will.